Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Blueberry Funded with MT5. To get started, open the MT5 app on your computer. Make sure the platform is fully loaded before moving on, so all of the menu options are available. If this is your first time using MT5, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Most of what you need for this setup is located in the top menu bar, and the process is quite straightforward once you know where to click. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This menu contains several account and platform options, including the one you need to connect your funded account. Opening the File menu is the first step in telling MT5 that you want to add or log into a trading account. From the File menu, click on Open an Account. This will bring up the account search window, where you can look for the correct broker server. This part is important because selecting the right server helps ensure that MT5 connects you to the proper account environment. In the search field, type Blueberry and then press Enter on your keyboard. MT5 will search for matching servers or broker results. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds for the results to appear. Be careful to type the broker name correctly so the search returns the right options. Once the results appear, click on the sample result shown on screen. This selects the server you want to use for the connection. Choosing the correct result matters, since different servers can be associated with different account types or environments. After selecting the result, click Next to continue. This will take you to the login stage where MT5 prepares to connect your account details to the selected server. If the next button does not seem active right away, double-check that the server result is highlighted before proceeding. Now enter your login details and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the connection. As you do this, make sure your information is entered carefully to avoid login errors. If MT5 prompts you for additional confirmation or account settings, simply continue by following the instructions shown within the platform. Once everything is submitted correctly, your account should connect inside MT5, and you'll be ready to continue from there. If something does not work on the first attempt, review the server selection and your login information, then try again. That's it for connecting Blueberry Funded with MT5.